Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down a little in order to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on Manage Apps. Here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see on the third position we've got Reset Up Preferences option, so let's tap on it. And now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And actually, this is it. You will not receive any info, but you can be sure that you've just successfully reset all app preferences in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.